treasure this building, this tower, because of all the memories and emotions that they symbolize. But memories are not held.
Iconic tower ng ABS-CBN at Broadcasting Building Center nila, ide-demolish na. Naging emotional ang mga artista, empleyado at mga boss ng ABS-CBN kahapon nang magtipon-tipon sila sa huling sandali para magpaalam na sa iconic tower ng ABS-CBN na ide-demolish na, pati na rin ang Broadcasting Center Building. Ito ay dahil nabili na ng Ayala Land ang malaking bahagi ng property na kinatitirikan ng ABS-CBN. Matatandaan na inanunsyo ito ng ABS-CBN nito lamang taon dahil sa patuloy na pagkalugi ng kanilang kumpanya dulot ng kawalan ng prangkisa matapos hindi payagan noong 2020 ni former President Rodrigo Duterte na ma-renew ang kanilang franchise. Dahil sa matinding pagkalugi, kinailangan ng ibenta ng ABS-CBN ang malaking bahagi ng kanilang property sa Ayala Land. Naging emotional ang mga artista ng ABS-CBN kahapon sa kanilang pagtitipon-tipon para magpaalam sa huling sandali sa iconic tower at sa Broadcasting Center ng ABS-CBN, kung saan naging parte ito ng kanilang buhay ng maraming taon. Ibinahagi pa ni Vina Morales ang kanyang saloobin sa pag-demolish ng mga pasilidad ng ABS-CBN. Kalakip nito ang ilang mga larawan at videos ng kanilang pagtitipon, tipon kahapon, huling pagpupugay sa Kapamilya Historic Tower. I'm so thankful and grateful for all the years I've worked with ABS-CBN, 2 dekada na pala. What a journey it has been. Nakakatuwang makita ulit ang ating mga boss, co-actors, employees, at pati mga dating kapamilya na nagtipon-tipon kami bago tuluyang i-demolish ang makasaysayang tower. Nakakalungkot man. I'm happy and proud na may kwento akong maipagmamalaki na naging parte ako ng mga dekadang iyon ng kasaysayan ng Kapamilya Network. Maraming salamat po, Kapamilya. To God be the glory. Naging emotional din si Karen Davila sa huling sandali bago i-demolish ang mga pasilidad ng ABS-CBN.
Kapamilya Forever, an emotional goodbye to our beloved ABS-CBN Tower, the first to be dismantled before the iconic ABS-CBN building in the coming months. The tower that has broadcast to millions of Filipinos for decades since 1986. My heart aches. I am so moved seeing everyone come together. After what's unjustly been done to ABS-CBN not renewing its franchise in 2020, we are still here standing together, smiling, creating, resilient. Memories are not held by things but carried by people. A powerful truth from our president, Carlo Katigbak. A testament that we will continue to tell stories that will live in the hearts of the Filipino. I have been with ABS-CBN for almost 25 years now. My love runs deep for this company. I have grown and become the professional I am today because of ABS-CBN's tough terrain. Now more than ever, I see every face, value every person, appreciate every day. I live grateful.
Nagsalita na rin si Amy Perez hinggil sa pagde-demolish ng iconic tower ng ABS-CBN at iba pang pasilidad ng ABS-CBN, say pa ni Amy Perez sa kanyang social media post.
Today we say goodbye to the historic Millennium Tower, a symbol of hope, strength, and joy for numerous years. Ready for our next chapter together.
Naglabas ng salobin si Zaza Padilla sa pagde-demolish ng iconic tower ng ABS-CBN at iba pang pasilidad nito na naging parte na rin ng kanyang araw-araw na buhay bilang kapamilya artist sa loob ng 2 dekada.
Today we formally bid farewell to our beloved tower. It was an emotional moment, especially when ELJ3 delivered his speech, reflecting on the many challenges ABS-CBN has weathered through the years. And yet, despite everything, many of us are still here, still standing, still holding the line. We're not just saying goodbye to a structure. We're honoring a symbol of everything we fought for, built, and believed in. It represents countless dreams turned into reality, lives changed forever, and a legacy that continues to live on.
Malungkot ba kayo na natuluyan ng gigibain at ide-demolish na ang iconic tower ng ABS-CBN at iba pa nitong pasilidad dahil nabili na ng Ayala Land ang malaking bahagi ng kanilang property at plano raw ito tayuan ng commercial establishment ng Ayala Land.